So this is what we went to pick up yesterday. 2005 Yamaha Blaster 6-speed. And we're back. So here is a lot of stuff, a whole set of tires and rims, steering column, axle with caliper and a hub. The other hub's over here. Complete set of control arms, swing arms, shocks, frame, seat, A-arms. Brake cables, clutch cables, a harness, brand new spark plug, brand new, oh, it's not a brand new caliper, another tank, couple light options, chain guard, bumper, sprocket, or rear sprocket, couple handles. Not bad. Not bad at all. We got a fun project ahead. Don't we, boys?
Yep. There's some premium content with this dog.
Chew it on a piece of bamboo, you can really get the content on him. Or a stick, I probably would make that first.
What do you think, Colt? What do you think? You like it? Colt? Alright, so I decided to go ahead and buy another machine. I got this thing at a really good deal, and it also came, I also got this, so this wasn't part of the deal, but he had these as well, and these are the best plastics I've seen in a long time. I mean, the only damage to them actually is this little crack right here. Other than that, these things are in really good shape. Even got the warning label still on it. And I got some stuff to clean this up. It also came with this top-end gasket kit from Cometic. This is a key delete harness, brand new. Left case, pretty good shape. And it came with this cylinder. It's in pretty good shape. Just needs to be honed and cleaned. The machine's not too bad. Has an oil leak in the bottom. transmission and stuff. It does have this aftermarket intake that is pretty sweet. So it does have that going, so you know, we'll have some extra stuff that we didn't have. This guard is in a lot better condition than the one we have. This one has spacers on the rear, so that'll be cool. This thing leaks fuel like a sieve from this line on the carburetor, but we're going to take all that off and clean it up. This looks like it has a brand new boot, like the one I just bought for the other one. Could have used this one. So on this bike, the chain popped off and smacked the case cover and broke it. Not a big deal, especially with the deal we got it for. This one has I believe a TTR exhaust or something similar. It's a Pro Circuit. I did hear this one run, and this thing runs very nice. Now this engine has been rebuilt, has a brand new 68 mil Wiseco piston in it. The whole top end's been rebuilt in this. So between this motor and the motor in that one, we'll have a good motor. And one thing, these wheels are blue, so that will be interesting to get this paint cleaned off, see what they look like. These tires hold air. Not the best, but at least we have a set that holds air now. These plastics aren't in the best of shape, but we're going to practice our buffing on these. Did get a good headlight. Oh, and there was an extra headlight with that one as well. It's in the shop. This brake's in a lot better condition than my other front brake. This one has a Tusk cap, Linthal bars. So between these two bikes, we should be in really good shape. So